y'all, welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you are new here. I'm gonna do some in-store couponing right there at Dollar General in just a little minute, and these deals are for the week of December 2nd through December 8th. Yes, we've made it to December. I'm so excited. It's snowing right now, kind of a little bit. I don't know if you could tell, but it's Christmas time. Merry Chrysler, Merry Christmas. Leo has a little cold, so we're gonna hurry and get in there and then go home and get into our jammies. But I wanted to share with you that there aren't a total lot of sweet deals on household items that we normally get, like laundry or paper products, but there are a few hidden gems that I felt were worth sharing, and there are a couple good personal care items that you could also need. So if that is something you want to see, then just stick around, but I will tell you that please watch the whole video so that you can know all the details and some of your questions might be answered. So let's get shopping. Just really quick, I wanted to show you guys that any ornament is 30% off from $1 to $12. So like this one is $3, so 30% off of that. And this little jingly snowman, I don't know what the price is on this, but it's 30% off. So I was just thinking, if you got like a $1 ornament and 30% off of that would be 70 cents, like that little cute buffalo check out. And then a gift item idea for the week are these battery operated toys. Any battery operated toys are 25% off, and this little T-Rex is so cute. I might have to get it for my nephew. Every year he asks for a remote control T-Rex, no matter what, like every year. So it would be 25% off of $12. And then it also works for like these baby toys. I thought that was so cute. Leo would love one of these. $6 for this cute little puppy or that crab thing. You like that one? Oh, you like it? And then a couple food items this week. See, this Clover Valley powdered sugar has already been bought out, but it's on sale for $1.25, and there's a 25% off coupon, making that $1. The same coupon works for the light brown sugar, but you can only get one of those, the 2-pound bag. And then the 4-pound bag of sugar is $1.75, and there's a 75% off of one coupon on the app. This only works for the sugar and the oil, so you could only get either, or you can't get both of those. And then the Clover Valley self-rising flour, or the all-purpose flour, the 4-pound bag, I believe, is priced at $1.50 this week, and there's a 50% off one coupon, making that just $1. And then the oil I was mentioning earlier it's this brand, but it's about this size. I think it's 40 ounces. There's a 75% off of one coupon, making that just $1 as well. So it's a great time to stock up on any cooking supplies you'll need for the holidays this season. And then the canned vegetables, Clover Valley, are 2 for $1. It includes the corn, the canned peas, the whole kernel corn. And then the Febreze Unstoppables are always priced at $4. And there's a $4 off of 2 digital coupon in the app. So it would make each one of these like $2, which would be great. And these Bounty Essentials 6 rolls are priced at $4.95 this week. And there is a $1 off one digital coupon, making that $3.95. Charming Essentials, the 12 equal 24 rolls, are priced at $4.95 this week, originally $5.25, and there's a $1 off one coupon, making those just $3.95. And then DG Home brand Ultra Strong toilet paper, 9 equals 18, is always priced at $4.50, and there's a $1 off one digital coupon, making that $3.50. Love's diapers are originally priced at $7.50, but they're priced at 2 for $12 this week, so $6 each. And then if you watched my video I put up last night, I mentioned that I got a $3 off one digital exclusive coupon, so that would make each of them $4.50. And then a Crest 3D white toothpaste, the 3.5 ounces, is priced at $3, and there's a $2 off one digital coupon, just making that $1. Right Guard deodorant is always priced at $3 at my store, and there's a buy one get one free, so you can get either one of these, the gel or the dry, and it would make each of these $1.50. And then I saw this big hybrid for cartridge count priced at $6, and there's a $3 off one digital coupon, making that $3. And then the Gillette Daisy 3 blade 4-count razors are priced at $5.95 at my store, And there's a $3 off one coupon making those $2.95. And then the Excedrin Extra Strength 24 count medicine this is the higher count, but the other one I want you to get is out of stock. So it's priced at $3.85 this week, and there's a $1.50 off of one coupon making that just $2.35. So we are at a store now, and I already drove home, but I couldn't film any in-store breakdowns because Leo was having a breakdown of sorts, but that's okay, we all do. He was a little hungry and probably tired of sitting in that shopping cart, so I'll just have the breakdowns listed below in the description box as I always do. I have 4 breakdowns, kind of mix and matching the deals this week. And of course, if you need something different, just switch out one of the items for a similar price, and your out-of-pocket should be pretty similar to what I have in the breakdown. So that is it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Please subscribe because I make in-store Dollar General videos every Wednesday. I didn't do it last Wednesday because I just didn't think the deals were very good. I couldn't find a good deal, so I just didn't do one, and I'm sorry. Don't forget to print out your breakdown and take it with you into the store, or use your phone to screenshot it using the Google Docs app. And I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.